What does this guy and this little guy have in common? This, Oysters Rockefeller. And today is Oysters Rockefeller Day. Oysters Rockefeller is probably one of the single most famous dishes in American culinary history. This guy, Antoine Alciatore, established this restaurant, Antoine's, in New Orleans back in 1840, where it continues to serve customers from all over the world today. After retiring and heading back to his native France in 1874, he left his famous restaurant to his son, this guy, Jules Alciatore. In 1889, it seemed he found himself up the proverbial creek due to a snail shortage for the escargot bourguignon on his menu. So, to fill the gap, he turned to the ubiquitous Gulf oysters of the area, of which there was a never-ending supply. After a bit of experimentation, he created a dish that approximated the experience of escargot bourguignon and served what would eventually be coined Oysters Rockefeller. Let me know what your favorite restaurant is for Oysters Rockefeller. So far, my favorite place is San Francisco's Tadish Grill. I can just taste them now. All gone.